Alright peeps, so I'm showing how to reach Black Bamboo coming from Bagwalk town side. So yeah man, so watch what I go on. So yeah, this not really an official video. This just a highlight of Black Bamboo. Yeah, smell that very nice jerk liver from far. Yeah man. Best upcoming spot, you know, in Bagwalk and Lindsay area. Yeah man, I say come out for your best street food. Yeah man, very nice. You get everything fresh. The festival fried dumpling, you know, done on spot. So you come 5 minute time, get ready. Yeah man, I don't know when I get a cold food, so it's in our best interest to make sure you get the best food and the best experience. So come for your best experience in street food. Yeah man. Yeah, if you want a good street food, check out Black Bamboo Grill, you know, for your succulent jerk chicken and your nice rice and peas. Yeah, nice festival fried dumpling and everything. Yeah man, let's check out Black Bamboo for your best street food. Nice curry pork. Yeah man guys, look at the pioneer wood here. Yes man.